Hi everyone, I'm going to make a very special Christmas fruit cake today. And of course, I'm going to make the gluten free version. This is a very rich and tasty cake with a lot of dry fruits in it and especially made during the Christmas time. So let's start. The first step of making a Christmas fruit cake is to soak the dry fruits. Usually it is soaked in rum, alcohol. Today I'm going to use orange juice and this have to be done a day in advance of making the cake. So you soak the dry fruits and keep it in the fridge and it will be ready to use for the next day. Let's start with the ingredients for our gluten-free Christmas fruit cake. We need half cup of besan, 3 by 4 cup of jawar or sorghum flour, 3 by 4 cup of brown sugar powdered, 3 by 4 cup of ghee, 2 eggs, 3 by 4 teaspoon of baking soda, and for the spice mix we need 2 cardamoms, 2 cloves, a small cinnamon stick and dried ginger. I have another half cup of brown sugar which will be used to make the caramel syrup. For making the caramel syrup, add the half cup of sugar into the pan and add 2 tablespoons of water and let the sugar melt. You don't need to stir it a lot, just let it melt by itself, and once it starts melting, it will start bubbling. Now you have to be watching carefully because this can burn very fast, and we'll wait until it becomes a little brownish. When it is a little brownish, we'll add a cup of water. So I'm adding a cup of hot water into it, and I'll keep stirring it until all the sugar melts. Now the caramel syrup is ready, so we need to cool it down before we add it to the batter. So we can keep it in the fridge or freezer also to cool it down quickly. Let's make the spice mix now. I'll add 2 tablespoons of sugar into it and grind it in a small mixie jar. Now we'll take a bowl and mix all the dry ingredients, the flour, the spice mix and the baking soda. Now I have separated the egg yolk and the egg white, and I'm going to beat the egg white separately, and it is going to take around 3 to 4 minutes to get into the right consistency. So the egg white is beaten well now. So now I'm going to transfer it to a different bowl and keep it aside. Into the same bowl I am adding my ghee and sugar and going to mix it well. So once the ghee and the sugar is beaten well, I am going to add 1 egg yolk and I will beat it again. Now I am going to add half of my flour mix into the batter and I will mix it. Now I'm adding the second egg yolk and I'll beat it again. Now I'm adding rest of my dry ingredients into the batter and I'm going to mix it well. Now I'm going to add the caramel syrup into it little by little and mix the batter to the right consistency. The batter is almost ready, so I'll take out the soaked dry fruits from the fridge and I'll drain out all the liquid from the soaked dry fruits. So I have drained all the liquid out of the soaked dry fruits. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm adding the jar flour and we'll give it a good coat on the dry fruits so that it will not sink inside the cake, while it is getting baked. So this is an important step. Otherwise all the dry fruits will go to the floor of the cake. Now I'm going to add our dry fruits mix into the cake batter and we'll mix it all together. So finally we are going to mix in the egg whites which we had kept aside and we're going to add it softly into a batter, and this really gives the cake a very soft texture. I have my baking pan ready. I have lined the bottom of the pan with a butter paper and I have spread some ghee on the sides also. Now we'll transfer the batter into the pan. I'm tapping the pan few times so that the batter is leveled and air bubbles are removed. It is ready to go inside the preheated oven. I have preheated the oven at 175 degrees and this cake takes a little longer than the usual cakes. Mine took around 1 hour 20 minutes to cook.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells one bobbed and ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride one-horse open sleigh.